Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like as we used to provide updates in regard of any what you work with you wish to participate. Today we provide a latest update in regard of ONTON, which is Onion. They are going to airdrop an Onion token. So if you participate in ONTON, so the airdrop checker point checker is going to be live on uh 10th of June. So before 10th of June you have to be secure your airdrop. So if these days which is the countdown, if it is spent for nothing without securing your airdrop, so definitely you are not going to getting anything. You are going to getting nothing. So that's why that's the main purpose that I made this video, to remind you, go and secure your ONTON airdrop. So for me now, even though me I've been recording this video, I don't know what is my total point that I've been getting. So let's go together and secure my airdrop together with you guys. So as you can see, I have to click on the secure airdrop so that I can see what is my total point that I've been getting. As you can see, it's onion is coming, and you may be eligible for the token airdrop. Let's find out how much you have earned, which is we have clicked this, and then you are also boost your score, check boost your score, check importance, and know what is onion. So let's click on check the status, so that I should see what is what I get. So my total onion point is 50 point that I have gathered so far, because this ONTON, it is something which is really hard. You have to go and find the SBT and see SBT, because it's hard. So as you can see, we have an option which is to boost our point, our score, in SBT. So if you click on this, you can see we have explore event, create event, and so on. So if you wish to boost your airdrop, is to create event, or share your SBT to the other users, any users that join SBT, using your referral, your invitation, your event that you hosted. So you are going to getting an increment of points. So here it is. So I think this onion, so definitely they are going to quicken very well, because they have a good system, and then they come with another another version of farming airdrop. So I think here is all what I want to share with you guys. So as you can see, I have participated in 87 events. So I have not created anything hosted. So the total point that I've been getting, as you can see, as we see it first, it is 50 points. So here is exactly what I've been getting for this ONTON. We hope it to be really cool for the for we community, so that we should enjoy it. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.